everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout, another 2-page layout today. And I'm scrapbooking photos again of my grandson from his birthday last year. He's now had, as I'm doing this voiceover, he had his party last weekend actually for this year's birthday. So I was glad to get these done just in time to scrapbook more birthday photos. With 4 grandkids, that happens a lot, right? So anyway, I'm starting off with some Basil Admiral cardstock, and I'm going to use that to mount the 6 photos on the right side, and then also to use as a mat for the 6 photos, or the 3 photos on this side. So 9 total photos for this layout in these pages, and then I'm going to have an insert page as well for this one too. So I am just kind of trying to make sure that the space between the top and bottom rows of photos on this right side page is about the same space as what is on the margins of the blue paper on the left-hand side. If it wasn't, I don't think it would be that big of a deal, and that's the narrow space that I'm talking about. If it wasn't, I don't think it would be that big of a deal, but it is a nice little detail here. So the animal paper I'm using there is Echo Bark, A Birthday Wish Boy, and it's the Birthday Buddies paper. And then I'm grabbing that frame there from the Birthday Wish collection, the frames and tags, and again, the boy. And then I found this sticker from the sticker sheet, the element sticker sheet from A Birthday Wish Boy, and I loved that little zoo train kind of a thing with the balloons and those things. So I just put that on the bottom of the right hand side because I knew I wanted to use that. Now I'm going to use this frame for some journaling here. So I grabbed Me and My Big Ideas leftover card from something else, and I'm just going to add that to the back of this frame, and then I put that little sticker also that says Birthday Boy on it right over the top, and that's how my cluster is going to begin. Now I did choose that animal sticker and the animal paper because I'm playing Calvin Ball in March, and you can look that up if you want to know what it is. By the time you see this, it will be over, but it's just a crazy fun game I play every year, scrapbooking game I play every year, and zebra print was one of the things. So there's a little zebra in the train, and there's a zebra in the train on the left paper too. I was thinking about adding that present piece, that sticker, but I decided not to. I did take that Hip Hip Hooray sticker and put it up at the top left. So now I have 3 areas of embellishment, kind of simple embellishment, really. That paper on the left is so busy. There's so much going on in these photos. And then, that train sticker is pretty busy as well, too. Then I did add a little party hat as well to the top of that sign that says Birthday Boy, just so you know where that's coming from as well. And I'm really liking how that looks. Then I also added some enamel dots there from Altenew Pocket Full of Sunshine, which is the yellow. So here comes the insert. I am using a 12-up photo piece. And what I did is I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought page protectors where it's a 12-up, but they go portrait, not just landscape. Otherwise, I always have to tip them. So I'm really liking the way this looks. I made sure that I use landscape photos to put in this. You can still use, tip them if you need to as well too, but I really like the way this looks. And what I'm doing here is I grabbed some more of that Admiral cardstock, and I spaced it. So I have 1 blank spot in the front and then 2 or 3 in the back, I should say. And I'm going to use those as places to embellish. Now, if I hadn't already, if I'd put some more photos maybe on that left page on the 12 by 12 parts of the layout, I could have used one of these openings for journaling, that kind of stuff. But I just decided to embellish with die cuts and stickers and all those fun things. So that is that big piece there, I believe is a sticker. Yeah. They're actually, no, it's not. They're die cuts. Everything, the big pieces that are going on this, I believe, are all die cuts. I do have a few stickers, but these are die cuts here. Okay. So, and what I'm kind of doing here is I'm using some sort of big piece, and then I'll just add mostly enamel dots to it. So now here you see what I'm going to do here. And I'm um, just making sure that I have the right one going in the space I want it to. So that's what I'm doing here. So again, Hobby Lobby is where I got these page protectors, and they are their brand. You can order them online if you don't have a store near you. Fortunately, I was going to be near the Hobby Lobby store. I was out of page protectors for a scrapbook weekend that I'm actually doing as I'm talking to you. I'm doing it next weekend, but it will be in the past when you see this. But I all of a sudden I remembered late last week that, oh my gosh, wait, I need more page protectors, or I should check, and I needed more page protectors. So fortunately, I don't live too far from a major metro area, so it's pretty easy for me to go grab that. All right, so here is where I'm using the die cuts here, just one kind of big one that says today is your day, one that says celebrate you, and one that says happy birthday to you. Now, I could have combined that with more embellishments and that kind of thing, but you know what? I think the thing I like about this insert here is the pages themselves are so busy with that animal paper. This is just like a nice sort of layout to give me some breathing room, and for your eye to have some breathing room, especially when you turn it to this side, because there's a lot of that dark blue. And so here I am again with Altenew pocket full of sunshine enamel dots, but I'm using some hearts here, just one on each of the one on each of the ones in the back, two in the front, and then I did add the banner stickers and that star sticker from the birthday wish boy sticker sheet. So there you go. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.